this is Kanaya from Quest Corp Limited.
Hi, my name is Akash and I'm working as a team lead at Quest Corp.
Hi, I'm Shweta.
Thanks कहना चाहता हूँ डैश टीम को एम्प्लॉय बेनिफिट प्लेटफॉर्म.
Thank you so much, Des.
Thank you, Dash.
I thank Dash and Quest Group.